Hello friends, welcome to OJS, the energy of life, Jhana Yoga. In my previous video, I have explained various mudras, asanas, kriyas to rejuvenate our body and mind. Most of my friends asked me, why don't you give face yoga video? So I am giving this video for you all. As we all know, yoga gives us body fitness and youthful look. In our body, there are around 640 muscles. Among those, 50 muscles are in face and neck area. Yoga asanas, mudras, kriyas improve our body flexibility, strength, balance of mind and reduce stress. Some series of mudras and kriyas designed to tone muscles in and around face and neck areas help us to release from tension and help to reduce wrinkles, dark spots, double chin, thyroid problems, so on and so forth. The most important benefit of face yoga is it promotes collagen production, keeping the skin younger looking and avoid premature aging. Among all parts of the body, the face and neck are more important because neck is a junction point between brain and rest of the body, and all the sensory commands, sensory information coming from the body travels up through neck through brain. All the commands from brain come down to the rest of the body through neck. So this is very important part. Moreover, the great blood vessels, the jugular veins, a vital endocrine gland for our metabolic function and our growth is also here. The thyroid and parathyroid glands are lie here. The whole process of respiration system is in this area only. This region is very important in yoga. If it is healthy, the energy flow can be free. So there are some yogic practices in this area to facilitate the health and healing. First we start with Namaskara Mudra and Anjali Mudra. In Namaskara Mudra, this is the Namaskara Mudra. Namaskara Mudra enables us all the energies of right side related to Pingala Nadi, also called as Surya Nadi, and energies of left side related to Ida Nadi, also called as Chandra Nadi. The positive and negative currents in Namaskara Mudra come together, create a cohesive unit, a closed circuit of energy. It reduces stress, anxiety, strain, headache, everything, and more important thing, it calms the brain. And the Anjali Mudra. This is Anjali Mudra. This is Anjali Mudra. In this mudra, the higher chakras are energized in this mudra. A flow of energy travels from entire body. So Namaskara Mudra and Anjali Mudra we will do now. Sit in a comfortable asana like Sukhasana, Padmasana, or in a chair or in also a standing position, as you like. And straight your spine. Your spine should be straight. Your chin parallel to floor, and bring your palms together in front of your heart chakra, and press the hands evenly and gently. Breathe in and breathe out for 3 times. Okay, first breathe in, take a deep breath, hold it and observe the sensations at your heart chakra. Observe the sensations at your heart chakra. Count up to 5 and then exhale. Repeat this mudra 3 to 5 times, and then Anjali mudra. Come into Namaskara mudra posture and slowly raise your hands up to sky or up to over your head, how much possible in that posture, and take deep breath. Hold for 5 counts and release the breath and come down to the Namaskar mudra. Again you do stretch the hands up to here and take your breath. Hold for 5 counts and bring it to the Namaskar mudra. You can do it for 5 to 6 times also. In the early morning before sun, it is very good. And the next mudra is Brahma mudra. As our Shastra scriptures, Brahma is the, as per our Shastra scriptures, Brahma is our creator. So Brahma always depicted with 4 heads. Brahma always depicted with 4 heads. Represents that 4 Vedas, 4 directions and 4 Tanmatras. What Tanmatras means? Mano, Buddhi, Ahankara, Chitta, etc. So this practice gives us healing, regeneration in neck, shoulders and upper back. So we will do the practice. Sit in any comfortable asana or even in chair. Spine should be straight and chin parallel to floor. Put your hands on your thigh in any mudra as you like, and take deep breath. Turn your head to left to the extent possible. Exhale. Come to the center and breathe in. Again do the exercise for 3 to 4 times, and then take deep breath. Turn your head to the right side. Exhale. Come to center and repeat this again 3 times or 5 times, and then take deep breath. Raise your head up to sky. Hold your breath and bend your head as the chin touches your breast. Release. Exhale and relax. Come to center point. You do it. Repeat it 3-4 times, 5 times. And then take deep breath. Bend your head to the left side shoulder as if the ear touches the shoulder. Exhale. Repeat it for 3 times and take deep breath and bend to the right side as if the ear touches the shoulder. Exhale and come to the center place. Repeat it for 3 times and rotation of your head in the left side rotation and right side rotation. Take deep breath, rotate in left side, exhale. Again take deep breath, rotate from right to left, come to the center, exhale. These are the neck area exercises. It will give a more benefit. And the other exercise is very important exercise. It is Bhruchari Mudra or Bhru Mudra. Bhruchari Mudra or Bhu Mudra. We do this mudra focused on Ajna Chakra, a powerful chakra out of our 6 chakra, out of our chakras. It is a very powerful chakra. Among 7 chakras, the 6th chakra is Ajna Chakra. Among 7 chakras, 6th chakra is the Ajna Chakra, located between the eyebrows, just before the brain area. This is also known as third eye chakra. Some in deep meditation, the third eye will open in sometimes. So it is called as third eye chakra. As the pineal gland is connected to the chakra, to this chakra, this gland is also called as third eye chakra, the inner light. The pineal gland is located in the center of the brain. Its main function is for the secretion of a hormone called melatonin. Melatonin has a lot of physiological effects on the body. The main function is it responsible for circadian rhythms and responsible for the regular sleep. And the another gland is also there in the brain area, connected to the face, that is pituitary gland, called as a master gland behind the nose area, behind the nose area. It controls thyroid and so many glands in the body. So doing this mudra, we keep healthy the entire brain system, relief from stress, headache, anger, tension, stress, whatever it may be. Everything will be cool and calm. Besides this, you can have a wrinkle-free skin. Daily doing If it is, if it doing daily, so the face will be wrinkle free. So I will do the exercise. I will do the mudra. So put fingers like this. Little finger at the junction of the eyebrows and place these fingers like this. The index finger is top of the forehead. Put like this and take a deep breath. Press gently and hold for 5 counts. Slowly come to the end of the eyebrows and relax. Exhale and relax. And put your index fingers on lids of your eyeballs. Rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise 3 times each. And then again put your hands in the same position and take a deep breath. Hold for a count of 5. Slowly come to the end of the eyebrows. Exhale and relax. This is the mudra. You will do this mudra for 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 10 times also. Whenever you feel stress, whenever you feel headache, whenever you feel anxiety, whenever you feel discomfort, you do this mudra again and again. There is no problem for this. It will give complete relief. Complete relief. Next is the Jyoti Mudra. It is a total relaxation of neck, eyes and ears. Complete relaxation. And also you may feel a beam of light travels through your body from bottom to top and top to bottom. You can get a feeling like that. And also it reduces eye bags, wrinkles and gives a total face glow. So I will do the exercise. This mudra, you put the index finger in the eyebrows and middle finger below the eyes and ring finger in the edges of the nose and little finger at the lips, edges of the lips, and the thumb finger put over the trigus. Close your ears. Over the put on the this part trigus and close the ears. So you put like this. And take deep breath through mouth from bottom to top. Breath should be bottom to top, while exhale top to bottom. This is the specialty of this mudra. Okay. Hold it for 20 count or 10 count, which is comfortable to you. Okay, understand? While taking the breath, by releasing the breath like this. So this mudra will give you a total relaxation of neck, eyes, face, everything. And then Kapola mudra or balloon therapy. Kapola means chicks. Okay. So this Kapola mudra, how to do like this? Take a deep breath from mouth. Take a deep breath from mouth and puffing the cheeks like this. Okay, and put your index finger and middle finger on the like this, and put your face up to 45 degrees angle, and hold for 20 count. Okay, we will do. Release and relax. We will repeat this for 3 times, and this has a special benefit. What is this mudra? The enormous pressure on cheeks, cheekbones and muscles create a blood circulation to the every pore in your skin and supplies oxygen and nutrition for every pore of the skin, supplies oxygen and lots of nutrition. This results a special facial glow and also reduce dark circles. Next one is Trataka mudra, not Tataka, Tra, T-R-A, Trataka mudra. So this is an eye exercise. Place index finger in the left side of the eye, right side of the eye, and middle finger in the ending and beginning. That is better. You put like this, 2 fingers in the edge of the eyes, and take a deep breath and raise your eyes. Don't raise your face parallel to floor. Your eyes only, you raise your eyes only how much extent possible your eyes, and concentrate any point before you. Better to select a tree. It will give a good result. How long you can see, you can see without blinking. How long you can see, you can see. No time limit. And then release and exhale. This you can do anytime. Whenever you have tired, then you can do this mudra. No time, nothing. Whenever you have stress, strain or anything, you can do this. Then the last one is double chin. Most of the people getting double chin. So double chin. For this, we will take a deep breath through mouth and make a pout like this. Like that. Make a pout on 2 sides and raise your face up to 45 degrees. Put your index finger in here at the point of the thyroid center of the neck at the point of thyroid, and hold the breath up to a count of 20 and then relax. If you are not hold the breath up to 20 count, you start from 10 and increase, go on. So we will do the exercise. This is for double chin. So how many times you will do? There is no limit. You can do the morning hours, afternoon hours, mid morning, mid evening, evening, night. How many times? No, there is no limit for this. You can go on doing like this. So these are the facial exercises, facial mudras, facial kriyas to improve your glow and health. Health is the important, then glow. Health is the very important. So these are the kriyas in the face area. And the last, and it is very important, is whenever you have time, whenever you not for time, for every half an hour, for every 1 hour, before when you sit before a computer or a TV or in any work or anywhere, for every half an hour, you rub your palms like this so that heat should be generated, and then put on your eyes. Count up to 20 count, and then again rub and put like this on your cheeks. This is this gives more relaxation and more blood circulation, especially who doing those people who are with computer work, more computer work. Those people who are with more computer work, it is very essential for them. So do this. Bye. If you like this video, give a thumbs up or share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.